Active addresses have grown by 620%, and the amount of XRP on platforms keeps going down. This is great news for people who own XRP. By the way, I talked about this on my Telegram group today, and I think I even showed this metric yesterday. If you sign up for the Telegram group, you can get news updates right away, as soon as they come out. Also, it's important to note that Robert Kiyosaki said something important for people who sold Bitcoin. He said that you lost money if you sold during the last crash. Today, we're going to look at why. We will also talk about the fact that Kraken, the biggest exchange, has made a list of U.S. critical reserves. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP Solana, and Cardano ADA are all on this list. We'll also talk about Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, because he said something important about the cryptocurrency market. From what we can see right now, the market is very volatile. Conditions are getting back to what they were before, when there was a sharp rise after Trump's comments. Bitcoin is getting close to 90,000 right now. In terms of XRP, it is still quite strong. At the moment, it's worth $143 billion on the market, slightly more than Tether, USDT. It costs 2.47. After the recent small market crash, this price is actually pretty good. Traders are confused based on how the market feels. People who used a lot of debt to trade futures probably lost their money because the crypto market has been so unstable. As Bitcoin's price rose from $78,000 to $95,000, short contracts were closed. Then, when Bitcoin fell from $95,000, people who were long sold their shares. Soon after, short contracts were closed again, and Bitcoin went from $82,000 to $91,000. Altcoins aren't getting much out of this high fluctuation. Bitcoin tends to go back up a little, but altcoins tend to drop a lot. This is why the general market situation is still uncertain. Traders are likely waiting for an altcoin season based on how the crowd feels. When it comes to XRP, the 4-hour period shows a trading range with $2.43 as support and $2.52 as resistance. I don't think this trading band will last long because it is very narrow. As of right now, XRP is still trading below the 50-day moving average on the daily period, which is no good sign. Another bad thing is that XRP once went up to $3 but couldn't stay there, which is another problem. It would have probably gone up even more if it had stayed above $30. Right now, it's hard to say how prices will move in the future, but they are likely to stay very volatile. Just so you know, XRP can go up or down by about 27% in a single day, so be ready. If you want to invest in the long run, you should keep buying when prices drop. But if you want to use XRP for short or medium-term plans, you should think about it carefully before buying it. Since November, the coin has done well and hasn't lost any market value, while many other altcoins have had a hard time. Some coins like Litecoin, Scash, and EOS have barely gone up or even hit all-time lows. It's interesting that XRP's market supply keeps going down even though Ripple releases 1 billion XRP from escrow at the beginning of every month. Ripple sends out about 200 million XRP to keep the market liquid, but buyers still want coins and move them to cold wallets. There are both big and small investors in this group, but the fact remains that the stock of XRP on exchanges is running out. Along with this, the number of live addresses has grown by 620% since the last reading. Someone who used to work for the US government says that the SEC has dropped its case against Ripple. That's the case, and we hope that it turns out to be true. It's possible that other exchanges will follow Kraken's lead with their own strategic reserve lists. At the moment, cryptocurrencies that Tron recognizes are on the list: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano ADA, proudly backs the creation of the National Cryptocurrency Association, which marks the start of a new age. Stuart Alderdy has also confirmed this and said how important it is. The goal of this nonprofit group is to teach Americans about using cryptocurrencies. There's also no doubt that garlinghouse will go to a crypto conference at the White House on March 7th. People will be paying close attention to this event since Trump has already said that XRP is part of the strategic reserve. It might have a big effect on XRP's volatility and could push it into a new trading band, maybe even higher than $2.48. The Trump government also wants to get rid of the capital gains tax on XRP. XRP will not be taxed when it is bought, sold, or held. XRP is the US cryptocurrency that has benefited the most from changes in regulations. It is followed by Cardano, ADA, Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. There are also coins like Litecoin, HBR, and ZC on the list, but they aren't given as much attention. There are interesting ties between the Chia blockchain and the White House. Even though it's currently undervalued, this could be a buy signal. It used to be thought that alt Chia was worth about $10, but now it's worth less than that. If the market is going up, though, you could reach $60, and if things really go up, you could even hit $89. Even so, buyers who bought at higher prices probably won't get all of their money back. XRP has made a falling wedge, which is a strong reversal pattern on its current chart. XRP could hit $5 to $7 if there is a breakout. As soon as Ripple and the SEC reach a settlement or the SEC drops its lawsuit, the price of XRP is expected to go up even more. This would get rid of any legal hurdles in the way of Ripple's IPO or BlackRock's possible approval of an ETF. Everything above is becoming true. Don't forget to join the Telegram group to get more news. Finally, let's talk about what Robert Kiyosaki said. People who sold Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies when the price dropped lost money. We will know when Trump starts buying Bitcoin to help the US economy. The real winners will be those who bought more when prices dropped. This is also related to the strategic reserve, which has Solana, Ethereum, and XRP in it right now. Other cryptocurrencies could be added in the future. Here are some crypto facts. Until the next time